Imagine rolling down the highway in a diesel pusher that feels more like a luxury touring rig than a traditional Class A. With independent front suspension, a Cummins turbo engine, and a digital cockpit that feels straight out of a tech showcase. That's what the Jayco Embark delivers. Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. And if you love diesel pushers with real road manners and premium touches, hit that subscribe button early because you're going to want to stick around for this one. From the moment you step up to the Embark, you can tell Jayco didn't just build another RV. They engineered a machine ready for long hauls and memorable journeys. Sitting on the industry-leading Spartan K1 raised rail chassis with J-Ride premium handling, this coach is ready to tackle twisty mountain roads or smooth cruise nights with equal confidence. Jayco, let's talk exterior design first. The Embark is available in striking full-body paint schemes like dark crimson, summit blue, and shadow gray that make it stand out in any campground lineup. Its sleek Class A profile isn't just for show. The one-piece, seamless front cap resists wear and tear and helps improve aerodynamics, while frameless dual-pane windows keep things quiet and climate-controlled inside. You're looking at up to 39 feet 11 inches in overall length on the 39T2 and 39BH floor plans, or a slightly more compact 37 feet 10 inches on the 37K. Jayco, the chassis tech underfoot, is where the Embark starts to separate itself. Independent front suspension with front disc brakes is rare in this price category, and it gives you a ride far smoother than typical diesel pushers. Add Bilstein monotube gas pressure shocks, wireless tire pressure monitoring with temperature readouts, and an industry-leading 120-inch panoramic windshield, and you've got a coach that's engineered for confidence on the road. Jayco, step inside and the interior greets you with spacious living anywhere from 5 to 7 sleepers, depending on the floor plan you choose. The Jayco's interior design options include rich wood grain choices like auburn or stonewall gray, and premium fabric selections that feel modern without being over the top. Storage is everywhere, from large basements to overhead cabinets, so you can bring all your travel gear without worrying about space. Jayco, in the main living area, you'll find layouts that balance living and sleeping effortlessly. The 39BH offers bunk beds perfect for families or guests, while the 39T2 and 37K floor plans deliver comfortable lounging space with hide-to-bed sofas or theater seating options. Large slides expand the interior living space to give you real room to spread out at camp. Jayco, now let's get into everyone's favorite part, the kitchen. The Embark doesn't skimp here. You'll enjoy residential-style appliances like a stainless steel fridge with an ice maker, induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, and solid surface countertops that make meal prep easy whether you're whipping up breakfast before a hike or hosting dinner after a long day of exploring. This is a space you'd happily use at home, and that's the point. Across from the kitchen, the dinette is generous and comfortable, ideal for meals, planning your next route, or just lounging with a coffee while the kids play cards. It also converts into extra sleeping space when you need it, giving you flexible arrangements for family or guests. Move back to the bedroom, and you're greeted with a layout that prioritizes comfort. A king-size pillow-top mattress awaits, surrounded by wardrobe space and cabinetry for all your clothes and travel essentials. Natural light pours in through the large windows, and there's room to add optional TVs or entertainment if you like. The bathroom is equally smartly designed with residential amenities, solid privacy, and thoughtful touches like convenient storage and quality fixtures. Whether it's a quick rinse after a beach day or a full morning routine, everything feels functional and well laid out. Driving the Embark is a revelation for anyone moving up from a gas Class A or even another diesel pusher. The Cummins B6.7 turbocharged engine with around 360 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque hooked to an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission gives you strong, confident acceleration and plenty of reserve power for hills and highway cruising. Jayco, That translates into an experience where merging, passing, and long, steep grades feel composed, not awkward or strained. And with the 360 degrees camera system and 12.3-inch digital dash, you've got modern tools at your fingertips to make every mile easier and safer. If you're wondering about real-world fuel and range expectations, the Embark's 100-gallon fuel tank is generous, letting you stretch your road legs without constant stops. Combined with a smart suspension package and robust chassis build, this is a motorhome designed more for journeys than destinations. Jayco, let's talk who this coach is for. If you're a couple or a family looking to upgrade to a diesel pusher with real ride quality, ample living space, and premium details that rival standalone luxury RVs, the Embark earns its place. It's not a bare-bones workhorse. It's a well-rounded lifestyle motorhome that blends comfort, technology, and driving confidence in one package. If you're someone who wants simple and light, this may feel a bit large, but for most full-time aspirants or long-term travelers, it's a fantastic choice. Now the big reveal. The Jayco Embark starts around $407,400 MSRP, putting it squarely in the competitive diesel pusher category with excellent value for what you get in performance and amenities. Jayco, remember, RV ownership isn't just about specs. It's about memories, adventures, and the freedom to take life on the road with confidence and comfort. This Embark delivers all three, whether you're heading north to national parks or cruising southern sunsets across state lines. Thanks for watching NextGen Motorhomes. If you loved this deep dive into the Jayco Embark, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment about where you'd road trip with this rig first. I'll see you out there on the open road.